So let's look at the app that we will build in this lesson. It will have 3 activities. The main launcher activity you see here, which has 2 buttons, the banner ad and the interstitial ad buttons. Each of these buttons will bring you to a separate activity, showing a banner ad and an interstitial ad. So when I press on the banner ad button, you will see a banner ad being displayed on screen. And we have this entire area above to display your app content. I can also click on the ad, and you see that we navigate off our app to see more information about the ad. And we can also go back and continue to interact with our app. And when we are clicking around here, you can see toast messages appear on the screen. These are messages that our app will generate, so you can see how the app interacts with the ad. And also note that the banner ad says test banner, because this is a test ad. And what I will tell you now is very important, so pay attention. When we are developing our app, we will use test ads, because advertisers do not and should not have to pay for real ads while you are developing. Using real ads during development is a violation against the terms and conditions, and it can result in your accounts being banned. So this is really, really important. Now let's go back and look at the other parts of the app. We can also click on the interstitial ad button, and that brings us to another activity with 2 buttons here. As we talked about, interstitial ads use the entire screen when they are displayed, and they also support video content. Therefore, we first load interstitial ads, and after they've been loaded, we can display them. So this button here will load our interstitial ad. You can see that it's loaded, and now we have the option to show the ad. So we press on this show button, and here you can see the ad come up. And again, when developing our app, we use test ads. And that's what you see here, a test interstitial ad. And as with banner ads, we can click on the ad, which will bring us to the content, and then we can go back. Alright, so that's the app we're going to build. So let's get right to it and do some coding. So let's get you started building an app that can show ads. And some of these steps we assume you are familiar with, since you should have taken the location lesson before this one. So in Android Studio, I want you to do the following things. Create a project with a blank activity. Add the metadata com.google.android.gms.version to the manifest. Add the dependencies to your build.gradle file. And also add the following permissions to the manifest: android.permission.internet and android.permission.access_network_state. The internet permission is required since we're going to fetch ads from the internet, and the access network state allows AdMob to check if an internet connection is available before trying to fetch the ad. And check here when you're done.